Hello guys, I'm greeting you now. I'm by the name Zinije Namalasi. Now we are going to converse how to talk about the egret. Do you know the egret is this? So you are welcome. I'm pleased to allow you in this conversation. Egret are white or light colored herons in the family of Aridiidae in biological way. They look similar to herons but are often smaller and usually pure white. Famous types include, I'm gonna telling you the types of egret. We have western kettle egret. We have also little egret. We have great egret. We have an yellow-billed egret. There is some egrets that you can find in different areas. We have a Chinese egret. We have Eastern kettle egret. We have medium egret. We have palmate egret and the reddish egret. Silhouette egret and scenery egret. So the egret in Rwanda we call it inyanja. So we have different types of inyanja. In Rwanda there is a egret called rich egret. They found in Lake Kivu and the shores of seas. This is among the various egret species found in Rwanda. We have it like solitary life where single individuals or pair are mostly seen in waterless areas and lakes and rivers where they whales for hatching and raise their eggs in marsh areas or quiet lake or river shores. They are beautiful and peaceful. So it's so amazing to the body. Watch all the people, but as egret have existed for millions of years. Fossils show that herons like birds lived as far back as the early Cenozoic era, over 30 million years ago. In ancient cultures in ancient Egypt, white birds like egrets were symbols of purity and were sometimes shown in art near the Nile River. In parts of Africa and Asia, they were seen as peaceful birds because of their calm hunting style. The feather trade in 1080s, early 1900s. This is one of the most important parts of egret history. In the late 19th century, egret feathers called the egrets became very fashionable, and Europe and America, women's hats were decorated with the long white feathers from breeding egret. Because of this, thousands of egrets were hunted and killed. Population drops dangerously low. Hunters often killed the parent birds, leaving the chicks to starve. This cruelty led to early bird protection movements, conservation and movements. The killing of egrets helped start modern wildlife protection, and the United States groups like the National Audubon Society were formed to protect birds. Laws were created to stop the feather trade, and wetland began to be protected. Modern history of the egrets. Egrets are protected in most countries. The kettle egret spread naturally from Africa to the Americas in the 20th century. One of the fastest natural bird expansions over recorded. They are common in Rwanda and other African countries, often seen in cows because they eat insects scared up by livestock. Something that is fun on the egrets. Egrets is simple of